You know, back in the late 80s, early 90s, you know, we had a full house. And, you know, I keep telling you, I always had a pantry. Well, yeah, but a lot of times that pantry might only be a week out because they'd eat you out of house and home. It was tough. Then during the Great Recession of 2008-10, you know, I just felt this pull, this need in my heart to extend my pantry. And where do you start? Where do you start? Today I just want to have a heart-to-heart with y'all. I don't, you know, I got to thinking back when I wanted to start a pantry, when I really felt the call to expand my pantry. You know, it was watching YouTube was extremely overwhelming to me. I mean, people would have cellars with 10 grocery store shelves down there packed with food. And I was like, I'll never get there. That's impossible. First off, I don't have a cellar and I can't store like that. I mean, I can't. This is the deep woods of North Florida. It's hot and there's no such thing as a cellar. You can't dig 3 feet without hitting water. You know, so to me, that was not doable. It just wasn't. It wasn't feasible. It wasn't, I couldn't have afforded it. So what I really want to talk about is where you are. You know, my basic thing is a scratch kitchen. If you learn to cook from scratch and you keep basic items that your family eats and you keep enough for, say, a month. A month is good. A month is a great place to start. You know, you just, the way I did it was in a book, the Prepper's Cookbook, I think. She said the easiest way to start a good staple pantry is 7 meals that your family absolutely loves, that you cook all the time. Multiply all the ingredients times 4, and you have it once a week. Now you have a month's worth of supply of that dinner that you know they already love. Easy peasy. And that made it doable for me. That made it easy for me to shop, okay? They love spaghetti. All right, so, you know, when the kids were little, I needed 2 pounds of spaghetti per meal. So now I need 8 pounds of spaghetti, and I have a month's worth of spaghetti. 4 pounds of hamburger, or, well, when they were younger, that would have been 8 pounds of hamburger, you know, but you get the idea. If you want fried chicken once a week, everybody likes fried chicken. Okay, you need 4 chickens, and then some rice to go with it, some pasta to go with it, some veggies. You just multiply whatever they love times 4. Now you have a month. You get brave, now you can go to 3 months. And it's just, instead of 4 of this, it's 12. And now you got 3 months. And it makes it so much easier. And if you are using basic single ingredient items, then you're not a slave to that meal either now, because you can make 25 different meals with the same ingredients if you just change up the spices. You know, you can make anything as long as you have a nice little spice supply. You know, if you want Tex-Mex, you know, you use some cumin, chili powder, oregano, garlic. Now you got a Tex-Mex dish. You know, if you want Italian, you know, that basil, oregano, garlic, and thyme. Now you have an Italian dish. You need a couple of cans of tomatoes, those spices. You got a pasta sauce if you didn't have any store-bought. It really does work out if you just start with what you eat, because everybody's different. And stop going to Grubhub, okay? You can do it, and you can do it better. And it'll still be hot when you get it, you know? I guess that's my rant for today. You know, I think maybe I want to do like a series on staples, you know, and break it down for you into just pure scratch cooking, because you got to learn to scratch cook before you can stockpile, because the stockpile is not going to do you any good if you don't know how to cook it or how to switch it up, or, you know, walk in and look at it and go, I can make this, I can make this, I can make this, I can make this, instead of looking at it like, oh my God, I still don't have anything to eat for dinner, you know? So I think that's what I want to do. Let me know in the comments if you think that'd be a great idea, or if you're even interested, or, you know, just give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Bye.